Hello, good morning guys, good morning companies. Myself Mahendra Ribadia, I am from VIP Coder. Today I want to teach you how to automate your LinkedIn and increase your outreach and generate the list and generate the campaign to automate your lead generation as well as your client. So you have to set up the client pipeline to run your business. So today I want to explain how you automate your LinkedIn account. So first of all, you have to open the vipcoder.com. There is a AI business solutions. You can see 10x growth LinkedIn automation. You have to click here. When you click here, you get this layout. You can sign in. You can create a start free. There is a 14 days free trial. Okay, dosto. 10x your LinkedIn outbound unlimited sender, one fixed cost. Okay, and you can check their pricing. So I told how to start a free trial. Okay, once you log in, create the login, then you can find this screen. Okay, this is your LinkedIn automation dashboard, heyreach.ai. Okay, so can you see here you can create the list for prospects and campaign. Okay, so here you have to click and then you have to add a new prospect, and there is a link in search bar, and then continue. Once you continue, you find you have to give the list name. I will write the list name real estate broker 1. I have given the list name, and then I will generate the list. How to generate? Just open LinkedIn profile, linkedin.com, and then search real estate broker. When you search the real estate broker, you can find the list. You can see 5,23,000 result you got. Okay, so then you have to go to filter, all filter, and then you have to select the location, and if you want to target United States, then you have to select the United States, and then you have to select a second and third. Okay, so you know second and third connection will be added in your list. Okay, and then show result. So you can see the result. Okay, all filter, second third connection, United States, show result. Okay, and then you have to copy this URL, Control C or Command C on Apple. Just copy this URL and paste, enter search URL. Okay, and select, and you can see select your account. Right now I am selecting my account, but you have your account, and then start importing. Once you click the start importing, it will start to generating the list. Okay, and list name is real estate broker. So you have to wait little bit. So importing the real estate broker from the LinkedIn, and then how to outreach, how to automate everything in next 1 minute I will share how to do it. Okay, meantime I will explain what is the VIP Coder. VIP Coder is the next generation technology company. We will fine tune any LLM. We will use your data, your knowledge base, your PDF, your customer support data, anything. We can fine tune model with your data to get a business insight and automate your business process. Okay, so this is my company. You can see the Instagram automation, WhatsApp business. We will provide. We are providing the e-commerce, healthcare, engineering, data analytics service. We are providing the company staff training in the latest technology, and you can see. Meantime, I will check here. See, this is list generating started. Okay, and then once your list, see your list, 50 contact, 50 details. Can you see See, this is the all real estate broker, and here list is generated 50. So I will stop here right now because of teaching. Okay, I am stopping here. I have imported 50 prospects. You can import 1000 per batch. See, 250. Now I will stop here, stop importing. Okay, I have imported 250 prospect. See, and then you have to go to your campaign. Here is the campaign, and start new campaign. Campaign name is Real Estate Broker Reach. You can increase your business followers and connection using this technique, and also you can get the business lead also. So Real Estate Broker Reach, okay, and create. So I have created campaign and I have select this list. I have created Real Estate Broker list 1. So I will select this list, and then I want to exclude prospect with no profile picture. Why I exclude? Because they don't have time to replace or upload their profile picture. Then I don't want them to include in my prospect list. Okay, and exclude already message prospect. It means I have sent the message earlier. Okay, so I want to exclude. So I have excluded, and then total this is a list and excluded, and then now I start campaign, continue. Okay, so account setting up to 40 connection per day. This is a LinkedIn limit. So you can reach 40 per account per day, 40 prospects, and then you have to continue, and then you have to select workflow, how to approach them. So first we view their profile, to add action. First we view their profile, so our name will display their notification, and then after 1 day, first we will see their profile, so our name will display in their notification, and then after 1 day we add the action called like post. After 1 day we will like their post, and we will same time we like their post and 0 day. Okay, and then again we add same day, we like their post and we follow them. Okay, so same day first we view profile, then we have liked their post, and then same day we followed them. Okay, and then next action we send the connection request. Okay, next action.